that we are accustomed to as a poor environment. So purposefully, the government here, the established government here, purposefully uh, keeps the environment poor and keeps the Filipino people educated in a poor mindset. So the more we patronize this system, this old system that we have, which is outdated, the more we are passing on this poor mentality to the next generation. So what do we need to do? We need to like pull ourselves back with regards to the current system and then try to devise ways for us to re-examine ourselves whether or not the Filipino mentality or the Filipino education that we are considering to be the hope of the people is really an effective way for us to progress as a nation. Okay? Okay, I'll just put it out there. Okay? All right. Oh, it's probably the longest channeling that I've ever had. Uh, and I tell you, I know the energies in this planet is really shifting into high gear because normally I would just get energies from the collective. Now I'm getting energies for the whole world and for an entire nation. Whew. Okay, I'm already past an hour. Okay, so I'll make it quick. Okay, so if money wasn't, here's a good thing that I got from Spirit. If money wasn't an issue, will the Filipino people choose to rise or fall? Okay, that's one of my guides speaking. Okay, all right. Please remember, I do not take credit from. I'm just a messenger. I don't take credit from whatever that was channeled here. So I actually had to write it down so that I won't forget.